Morning, dear students. As I told you, all of you, that in our next lecture we will know how to complete the following formula or how to complete following numerical which is given in your book exercise. And the question number F. Question number F is complete the following numerical. So the first problem of question number F is calculate the amount of magnesium oxide formed when 120 gram of magnesium is burned in air. Okay, when 120 gram of magnesium is burnt in air. So what is given? The atomic mass of magnesium is 24 and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. It is given in the question. Okay, students. So we know the formula of magnesium oxide. When magnesium combined with oxygen, it forms magnesium oxide. So here you are seeing, students, magnesium combines with oxygen, forms magnesium oxide. To balance this equation, we add 2 in front of magnesium oxide because there is 2 molecule of oxygen. So this will be the complete formula of formation of magnesium oxide. Okay, students. So as it is given, the atomic mass of magnesium is 24. So you will multiply 24 with 2 because there 2 moles of magnesium is included in this reaction. Okay, so 2 into 24 is equal to 48, such that the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. 16 into 2 is equal to 32, and the amount of magnesium oxide formed with the help of 48 magnesium and 32 oxygen is 80. How the 80 comes here? See, Mg is having 24, means magnesium is having 24 atomic mass, oxygen is having 16, 24 plus 16, and the both are in how much quantity? 2 moles. So it will be multiplied by 2. So 2 into 40. Firstly we had add this and 2 into 40. It will become 80. So now you can see with the amount of 48 gram of magnesium, we can produce 80 gram of magnesium oxide. So in the question what is asked is how much magnesium oxide will form with 120 gram of magnesium. Okay, so the answer will be, here you can write 120 gram of magnesium will produce 120, this is the amount of magnesium which is used, 80 which it is the amount of magnesium oxide which is formed by the 48 amount of magnesium. Okay, divided by 48. You know how to calculate it. Now when we divide or multiply, the answer we will get is 200 gram of magnesium oxide. Okay, students. Here also you can see one another problem of this question F, that is question number 4. Okay, so why I am telling this? Because question number 2nd and question number 3rd is you can solve by the process of question number 1st. As you solve the question number 1st, you can imply the same method on question number 2nd and question number 3rd to solve that. So now we will know how to solve the question number 4. Okay, so the question number 4 is how much oxygen is required to convert 18 gram of carbon to carbon dioxide. Okay, for that we have to identify the amount of oxygen. Okay, and what is given? The atomic mass of carbon and the atomic mass of oxygen. So students, for that, as I told you earlier also, that firstly we have to know the reaction. Okay, so carbon plus oxygen, here oxygen is O2, means 2, gives CO2, carbon dioxide. So when we calculate the atomic mass of all, carbon is 1, so as it is 12 is here. Oxygen is having atomic mass 16, but there is 2 molecule of oxygen, so 16 into 2, that is 32. Here you can see carbon dioxide. C is 1 but O is 2. So 12 plus 16 into 2, 32. So 12 plus 32 is equal to 44. Okay. So if 12 gram of carbon produce 44 gram of carbon dioxide. Okay. Here you can see 12 gram of carbon produce 44 gram of carbon dioxide with 32 gram of oxygen. But an oxygen is required 32. Then 1 gram of carbon will produce. How we will calculate it? 1 by 12, because 12 is the number of carbon, atomic mass of carbon, into 44, and 44 is the atomic mass of carbon dioxide. So we will get 3.67. What is 3.67? That is the amount of carbon dioxide we will get by using 1 gram of carbon. Okay. Thus 16 gram of carbon produce, 18 gram of carbon produce, 18 into 3.67. When you calculate it, the answer will be 66 gram carbon dioxide. Okay students, like that only you can also calculate the oxygen also. So when we use 32 gram of oxygen produce, how much 32 gram of oxygen will produce carbon dioxide is equal to 44 gram of carbon dioxide. So 66 gram of CO2 must take, because 18 gram of carbon will produce 66 gram of carbon dioxide. I hope you understand what I was trying to say, students. Try to solve question number 2nd and question number 3rd by your own. Okay students.